Hello freelancers. Today I am going to give you the best tip of my life because I suffered through this and let me share my story. I used to sit on my PC for long hours like maybe 8 or maybe sometime 12 hours. So I got a lot of RSI injuries, repetitive strain injuries. So the first thing which I still am working on is taking break from your PC. Okay, so we designers or developers or freelancers, we are addicted to our PCs and internet. So you need to take off your time, tell your wife or your other significant or your children that or your friends that please after some time, maybe 1 hour, see me and get me out of my chair, do some other activity. Okay, so there are few apps I'm going to share with you today which help in productivity and reducing this RSI injuries and your repetitive strain injuries due to continuous use of computer and internet. Okay, the first thing I am going to first show you some apps I really like and they are free for the Mac, and then I'm going to show you some I use on my PC. Okay, so this is the one I'm using right now. It has two breaks, normal and micro, and this is really nice. This is what I need in each RSI injury preventing software or app. It is called timeout break reminder. Okay, so it is available on Mac store and it's free. So this is the best one. I'm using it right now. You can see over here you can set up the timing, okay, color, label, and the timing that every 40 minutes it is going to give me 10 minutes break. So it's up to you. I am already suffering from RSI injuries, so 10 minutes of at least break works for me. So if you are not suffering from any, I think do not exceed for more than 1 hour. Okay, so every 1 hour you should take at least 10 to 15 minute break. Even if you are on job or at your home or anywhere else, do not use your mobile phone or PC for more than 1 hour. Okay, now this is the one app. Then there are few more apps like we have this tomatoes. Okay, so it is basically called Pomodoro technique and it gives you sessions of 25 minutes. So if you start this one, it will keep on ticking for 25 minutes and then it will give you a break. Okay, so this is also a productivity technique and it really helps you. Even if you are a designer or developer and you are stuck somewhere, get out of your chair and move around, drink some tea or coffee and relax and came back after some time. Okay, so it is really important to get out of your chair. Okay, so this is the main thing. I am giving a lot of weight on this. Okay, so this is really important. Don't waste your career because after I got multiple RSI injuries, I had a lot of clients, maybe more than 15 or 20. Now I am limited with one client, okay, one or two clients. So this can really ruin your career. So keep on using such productivity apps. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few more. And this app is for iPhone and iPad. This is another option if you want to install it on a separate iPad or iPhone. This is good, but I really recommend this one. Okay, timeout is the best one because it is going to blur your screen. Let me show you how it is going to do it. It is going to disable your screen like that. It is going to show you a clock and a timer. So as soon as you see this, you should get out of your chair. And if you want to skip break, this is just a preview. So I think in the actual break, it is not going to let you skip it. Okay, so one app is this one. This is iPhone and iPad app. You can search a lot of iPhone apps like Tomato and Pomodoro techniques. Then the best one I like is this RSI guard. This is the top, you can say the top of the line product, and it shows you videos of different people doing exercises, sitting on their chair and standing up during each break. Okay, so it can really help productivity, and I think this software should be present in all software houses, development houses, design agencies, and it can really improve your productivity, and it can reduce your risk of RSI injuries. Okay, so one other free app I am using on Windows is this one. This is for Linux and Windows. It is not going to work on Mac. So this is really nice. I use it on my Windows. Let me show you. After some time, I'm going to switch to my Windows. Now you can see at the right side of my this PC, you can see this is the basically my window for work rave, and it has three modes: normal, quiet, and suspended. So if I'm watching a movie, I switch to suspended, and in the normal mode it is going to give me rest break after, you can see, 9 minutes, and the big break will be after 25 minutes, and total limit of my working hours for one day is going to be 6 hours. So I have set 3 parameters over here, and it is really helpful, and it also shows you some exercises, but they are not very helpful in my opinion. They are just you can say very low quality. Okay, so if you are looking for very high quality, you should go for RSI Guard. You can find more apps like that, but I really recommend on PCs this work rave. It is free, and it works really well. It locks your screen after some time. And the other one I like on Mac is, I really love this one, Timeout. This is really cool. Okay, so 2 apps I'm really recommending you guys. If you are a freelancer, designer, developer, or even if you are working in an office, recommend these in your offices. Tell your managers, CEOs that this is really going to work really well, and it is going to reduce their health and maintenance costs on their employees. And that's all for this session, and let's move on to the next lesson.